Are you trying to find the best nonstick cookware sets? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best nonstick cookware sets. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. Hard anodized aluminum. Included 8 inches and 10 inches frying pans, 1 quart and 2 quart lidded pots, 3 quart and 5 quart stock pots. Solid spoons and slotted spatulas are all included. This hard anodized aluminum cookware is a workhorse in the kitchen thanks to its durable, scratch-resistant non-stick coating, which is backed by a reputable brand in the non-stick cookware industry. The best of all, it can go in the dishwasher. The hard anodized coating on tea cookware valves encourages quick, even heating and reliable cooking outcomes. This set is an excellent option for inexperienced cooks as well because it features tea proprietary valve's thermospot indicator technology, which shows when the pan is sufficiently preheated. 2 frying pans, 3 saucepans with lids, a stock pot with a lid, a solid spoon, and a slotted spatula are all included in the set. Additionally, since acidic food shouldn't cause the non-stick coating to react, it is acceptable to use while preparing sauces like marinara or lemon garlic butter sauce. Number 2. Aluminum and stainless steel. What's included? 8 inches fry pan, 10.25 inches fry pan, and 12 inches fry pan with ID 1.5 quart saucepan with lid, 2.5 quart saucepan with lid, 3 quart sauté pan with lid, and 8 quart stock pot with lid. With a no chip, no flake, non-stick finish, this ninja set comes true to its name. The cookware is produced at a maximum temperature of 30,000 degrees, resulting in a long-lasting, textured non-stick coating. The base of the Ninja is made of heavy gauge, hard anodized 4.55mm aluminum, which guarantees equal heat dispersion. This 12-piece set gets points for featuring durable workhorse items like a 12 inches covered fry pan and an 8-quart stock pot, which are especially useful for cooking pasta or preparing large quantities of soups and stews. You can sear proteins in the cookware just like you would in stainless steel because it is oven safe up to 500 degrees. The extra long, stainless steel handles are double riveted for durability and to provide a cool touch while cooking on the stovetop. Number 3. The temperature constancy and non-stick performance of this set, despite its low cost, are excellent. In our laboratory tests, our testers saw that omelets readily rolled out of the pans. Sauces did not stick or burn, and rice pilaf did not stick or burn at all. When the pans were heated for the first time, they did notice a stench emanating from them. Therefore, if you're searching for a Teflon-free choice, this set is not for you. Although the components seem cheap, the design of this set is balanced and lightweight. And for only about $77 for the entire set, including utensils and a baking sheet, it's a wonderful deal. With the exception of some food becoming stuck between the rivets and the pans, our testers also noted that the parts are simple to clean. Although the entire set is dishwasher safe, it is advised to clean by hand. Number 4. 15 items make up this non-stick cookware set, including 3 frying pans of various sizes, 2 saucepans, a sautéed pan, a sauté pan, a soup pot, and a stock pot. A standard 15-piece cookware set requires 30% more storage space than this set, which is intended to stack and nest. These sturdy pans are made of hard anodized aluminum, which allows for quick, even heating and is suitable for use with most metal utensils. Our lab testing revealed that these pans had excellent temperature constancy and distribution, and the only sticking we observed was a small amount of egg attached to the rivets of the skillet. Even while this set's pricing is a bit on the high side, it is justified by the fact that it includes almost every kind of necessary pot. If the 15-piece set is just too much for you, it is also available in a 14, 10, or 8-piece form. Number 5. There are no PFAS, PFOA, lead, or cadmium in green pans thermal and diamond advanced ceramic nonstick coating. 32 Because of its sturdy construction, it is scratch resistant and dishwasher safe in addition to having a coating with diamond particles that contributes to quick heating and simple cleanup. In comparison to conventional models, green pan's space-saving design offers 25 to 40% additional cooking space. Along with 4 covered pots, the set comes with 2 frying pans. Additionally, these pans can withstand heat up to 600 degrees in the oven and broiler, allowing recipes such skillet lasagna to be finished. The tough glass lids, which are oven safe to 425 degrees, make it simple to monitor on the status of the cooking process. Beautiful, non-stick cooking surface. These have ceramic non-stick surfaces that are super smooth and release food easily. Even the best oils and fats will last longer, so there's no need to worry about breaking down the coating after only a few uses.
I have nothing further to add. I make useful videos every day, so kindly become a channel subscriber. Because of this, I would appreciate it if you did. Read my description if you want to get additional information about the item's price. Please leave a comment if you encounter any difficulties. Keep up with our cutting-edge videos because it will simplify your life considerably.